Today we're making butter, not margarine butter, but I can't believe it's not butter type of butter. To begin, I'm using 2 packs of really cold heavy whipping cream. This helps the process to be done so much faster. With a handheld stick, it took me 5 minutes to get it done, but of course you need to use a bowl that is a lot deeper than mine because this thing splashes a lot. Then I separated my buttermilk from my butter and I used the buttermilk to make bread. Then I went in and gave my butter a very cold ice bath. This helps to remove any additional buttermilk and also it helps with the longevity of the butter. I repeated this process 2 times and then I added some salt. At this point, I had butter, and you can stop there if you wish. But I wanted to make something a bit more fancy. I wanted a herb butter. So I took a head of garlic and I placed some salt and some olive oil in it. Then I wrapped it in a foil paper and placed it in my oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. When it was completed, I took it out and you want to be sure that it is warm before you try to extract it. And I placed it into my butter and I added some pizza seasoning. Oh my goodness, this was really a good call. So now you can put any type of herbs inside of it, but I just wanted to try the pizza seasoning and I was so happy with it. Then I placed the mixture into my butter bowl and then into my fridge to set for just about 15 minutes. Then I had it with a slice of freshly baked homemade bread. Literally a slice of heaven. So I hope you enjoyed my video. God bless you. I love you. Bye.